Here we are again at just a cut above. It's still Labor Day. I'm showing you two things today. First I showed you the pinwheel flank steaks. Now I'm going to show you how to make stuffed chicken breast with asparagus and shredded cheese. How's that sound? Let's go. First we start with chicken breast. Chicken breast. Take your chicken breast, slice it in half, but not all the way. Open it up. Okay. We're going to make 4 of them. Asparagus. Now what you want to do is cut the stalk off, the asparagus, probably about that much off, just so it fits in the chicken breast. Leave just the tip sticking out of the breast. Put 3 in each breast. This one's real easy. Now you're going to take your shredded cheese. Put your shredded cheese on top of that. Okay, now guess what you're going to do with them? You're going to tie them. And turn it around this way. String. Only 3 strings to a breast. Fold it up. It's real easy once you get first string on. Don't tie it real tight because you just go right through the breast. Actually, you know what? We're just going to put one string on it. That'll work. Okay, that's 2 of them finished. Two more. It's been a while since I made these. I'm surprised I'm doing it this good. And if anybody needs any help with these 2 gourmet dishes that I've showed you, just send me a message on Facebook. And I'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so that's that. Stuffed chicken breast with asparagus and 4 cheese Mexican shredded. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle some drunken chicken rub. Drunken chicken rub on it. Just sprinkle it on top. Quality stuff. You would think I do the cooking at home, right? Not. My wife does a good job at that. Okay, so there you have it. Stuffed chicken breast with asparagus and cheese, shredded cheese, sprinkled with drunken chicken rub. Say that 4 times, real fast. Okay, well, I hope you watched and learned, and I hope you learned something on this Labor Day. I hope you all had a good day today, and I'll see you on the next cut.